Hey, beautiful babes. Welcome to Beauty by Sweet Angel. I am Sweet Angel, and I want to thank you for stopping by. If this is the first time hanging out with me, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the post notification bell. And remember to always watch the videos to the end. That way you get all of the great details that I have to share with you. If you read the About Me section, you know what I'm all about. I love home remedies. I love using organic products. I love essential oils. I love doing all I can to help my skin. And the treatments that you'll find here and home remedies are all remedies that I use myself. And I'm sharing them with you because I like you. Now remember that I am not any kind of skincare professional. I am simply someone who loves home remedies and getting to the details on what makes things work for the skin and trying to roll back the years. Absolutely, I am. So now you know the only kind of license I have is a driver's license. But beautiful babes, whatever I'm doing, I'm loving it and it's working for me. And I want to share it with you. So please, let's get to today's video. It's very simple. We're only taking two ingredients, an egg and an avocado. So let's get to preparing the avocado right now. Just cutting it in half, and all I'll need is about half of the avocado. This one is good and ripe. Love it, love it. The fatty acids in the avocado are packed with nutrients, which will translate into your skin, keeping it smooth, youthful appearance for longer. Avocados also have high levels of vitamin E, which can help slow the visible signs of aging, as well as being packed with vitamin A, which is responsible for ensuring effective cell repair. That's what we need. And the egg. Wow, yes, you know eggs are amazing for the skin. Now we typically use the egg white, but in this mask we are using the egg yolk for its amazing benefits. It locks in moisture into the skin cells and moisturizes dehydrated skin. It's also going to slow aging with this high vitamin E content. Yes, these ingredients together have high vitamin E, which is amazing. Egg yolks contain antioxidants which fight off free radicals, one of the causes of wrinkles. Now you see how we're going to roll back the years. Well, listen, let's go ahead and just apply this very generously all over the face. I'm just using a cotton round to apply mine. You can use a brush, you can use your fingers, does not matter. Just get it on there. And again, be very generous with it. Absolutely. Mine is very cool because my avocado was in the fridge, so it feels so nice. So we're going to leave this on for about 10 or 15 minutes. I feel it tightening already, and that's it going to work to tighten up the skin, making it youthful and glowing. So after about 10 minutes, rinse off with lukewarm water and then follow with cool water. And the end result is, I love my job. Nice. Youthful and beautiful skin. I'm loving my skin so much, and very easy to get this done, very easy to whip up. And honey, all you had to do was go right in your kitchen. There it is, beautiful babes. Another amazing home remedy that you can whip up very easy and very inexpensively. Beautiful babes, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you drop a like on it. Like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all know what to do. Make sure you hit that post notification bell so you'll be in the know the next time I have a good one for you. And please make sure you don't keep me a secret. Tell everybody where you're hanging out at, right here at Beauty by Sweet Angel. So please share me with your world. Bye.